How do you write a perfect prompt for Suno AI? This is actually pretty easy now. I got a solution for you guys. So what you're going to do is first of all make sure that your prompt has element of your song essence. So let's just say mysterious rock, that is giving us a message that it's going to be something sharp, something violent, expressive. A lot of drums are going to be included. You can see we have drums, a song about skipping class. We can also dice it. You can see mellow deathcore song about basement hangs. Then we have scary horrorcore song about Sunday feels. So that's how you need to be tailoring your prompt. You can also use ChatGPT to build your own custom ones and incorporate that. You can see to get a better result, you can use instrumental if you want just the instruments, not the lyrics. You can upload your lyrics in case you want that to be incorporated in audio. That is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.